Hey, it's Clark Reid popping back in with more tech headlines for you. If you like these reports, you could really help us out by giving the like button some attention, and you can also subscribe. You'll know when each new report is ready for you. Apple announced their Worldwide Developers Conference today. It starts on June 8th, and besides that, MacRumors.com reports the next Apple Watch Ultra is getting a new high blood pressure notification feature. Now, it's not clear how this differs from the hypertension notification that they already have, but this thing is under FDA review, so it might actually be able to give you blood pressure readings. Time will tell. The new feature uses the optical heart rate sensor, and it analyzes how blood vessels respond to each heartbeat. Apple's still working on blood glucose monitoring, which will be a bonanza if that happens. This actually they had a working model a couple of years ago, but it's too big to fit into the watch, so they have to figure out a way to shrink all of that down to fit. So it's not surprising that one is taking a while. Apple also updated accessibility features to use Apple Intelligence on VoiceOver, Magnifier, Voice Control, and Accessibility Reader. They're all going to get beefed up AI help. Now, VoiceOver Image Explorer gives a more detailed description to the user and lets you actually ask questions about what the camera viewfinder sees. Voice Control has natural language input, so you can describe on-screen elements conversationally. Accessibility Reader has added support for articles with multiple columns and images and tables, and it'll also give you, this is kind of cool, an on-demand summary to you, kind of like one of those executive summaries you see in some articles. Now, this is a wild feature for those few users that have Apple Vision Pro headsets. Power wheelchair control. The headset's precision eye tracking system can be used to control the chair for users that can't use a joystick. Expect most of these features to be out in the fall with iOS 27 and the rest of the new iOS and Mac operating systems. Google's AI two-day developer conference got underway this morning with a flood of announcements. First off, Gemini 3.5. That's a new family of models. According to TheVerge.com, Gemini 3.5 Flash is now the default model. Gemini, that's for the app and for the AI search mode. And the Pro version should be out within a month. Now, a new family of models is also out called Gemini Omni. This will be the Gemini app, Google Flow, and YouTube Shorts. Omni Flash will generate video clips from prompts that include a variety of inputs, including text, photos, video, and audio. And unlike Google's VO model, which only did text to video, Google also rolled out Spark, their response to the very popular OpenClaw. Now, that always-on agent it lets you write emails and make study guides and watch for hidden credit card fees, but it basically is all through your computer all the time. So if you want that, that's great. And there are a lot of people using it all over the world using OpenClaw, so I'm sure that some of those will jump on Spark. Now, one thing that the always-on agent does that's cool is it can search for hidden credit card fees, and Google AI Studio also lets you build Android apps using just prompts now. There was more, but in the spirit of Steve Jobs' One More Thing, Google also showed an updated version of their Project Aura smart glasses. The refreshed Compute Puck has a fingerprint sensor, and then it has a lanyard so you can wear the puck and the glasses. And continuing on the glasses topic, they introduced two new pairs of Android XR glasses, one from Warby Parker and another from Gentle Monster. Like the base Ray-Ban from Meta, these glasses are audio only, no display, so not quite a return to the old Google Glass. Google has also launched Universal Cart. You can add products to it from YouTube, Search, Gemini, and Gmail. And Google says this intelligent shopping cart works across different merchants like Nike, Target, Walmart, Ulta, Beauty, Sephora, Wayfair, and Shopify. So you can add products from, say, Nike and Target into your Universal Cart and then check out from both at the same time. And it will also spot and include perks and loyalty discounts for you, so you won't miss out on any cash there. As you've no doubt heard, Elon Musk lost his lawsuit against OpenAI yesterday. The jury only took a couple hours to bring that verdict. CNBC.com notes that the primary issue was that the case was brought too late to make it under the statute of limitations. Musk had claimed that OpenAI execs stole a charity. with the change that the company was going to allow part of it to become public and be for profit. It apparently wasn't lost on the jury and the court that Musk has a rival company in XAI, which is a for-profit entity, although it hadn't turned a profit yet. OpenAI is now planning to move forward with its IPO stock offering this year, probably later this year now. Musk is expected to appeal to the Ninth Circuit, as his attorneys say he lost on a technicality, but it seems unlikely the court will buy that argument since the statute of limitations has long passed. Not satisfied with trying to extract fees for ships getting through the Straits of Hormuz, now Iran is demanding that big tech pay fees for the undersea internet cables in the strait. ArsTechnica.com reports that the Iranians have specifically named Meta, Google, Amazon, and Microsoft, and they want to extract what they're calling license fees for use and maintenance of the cables that don't belong to them. Tech firms are already looking at alternatives. Iran has intimated they might damage or cut the cables if they don't get their way. Cables do get damaged on a regular basis, as some ships accidentally drag their anchors, or trawlers using weighted fishing nets do damage as they fish the seafloor. Tech companies are looking to bypass this extortion by using overland fiber optic cables. With huge data centers planned in the Middle East, more of those are going to need to be run, and soon. I'm Clark Reid, and you're Technified for now.